We're rolling.
Good afternoon and welcome to Prophecy IoT and our Luggage Tag Manufacturing Inc. So today we're going to be manufacturing from a metal blank a custom luggage tag that's going to have someone's personalized information on that will start in our production operation control center, which is going to be around the scanning of a card. And from that scanning, we're going to engage our chemical laser. We're going to deal with our production cycle times. We're going to see what the machine is actually doing. And then we're also going to see all the great statistics around what actually happened during that production cycle. Now, let's start here at the beginning. So we've got loaded in our metal blank from raw materials. That raw material now is, as we look at this, we're in a state that we're idle. So we can see that our door is closed here. We see door is closed, so we know the state of the machine at any given time. And now when we start to manufacture, we'll see that our stack light is going to change. And what that does is now we've moved from maybe a state of setup, we've moved to a state of production. And by doing this, by monitoring the stack light or the sensors on the machines, we get a chance to get invaluable information very easily. So whether we connect to the machine via PLC or we do it with something like this, that's an edge device. This edge device could have a stack light monitor on it, which we get the same rich data we don't have to go into the machine controls and do any kind of installation. Very quick, very simple. So now as we can see, we're actually lasering our products. So if you want to get a nice look at the laser in action, Christopher's going to get a nice luggage tag here in a moment. We can see that our laser statistics are all those little spikes. That's actually where we're making product. We can see our temperature, so that if we had something go wrong with the laser, that might be able to create a maintenance ticket in Cloud Suite Industrial. And then we start to see all this rich data that's coming from the machine that really no operator had to engage with. And that's the key takeaway. This is simple. This is in a machine environment where we're getting automation information from the controls, and we're driving rich production engagement information. For all manufacturers, this is the key, because they want to know what this machine's doing in their 6 or 8 hour day without having to have the operators go and spend tons of time doing it. So now we have finished our manufacturing. We'll see that we have a finished product that's going to go to our customer. We can see the door is open. Now I'm back in a state. We're back maybe setting up for the next product. And that is a summary of Prophecy IoT and our Luggage Tag Manufacturing Inc.